What's good, YouTubers? So what I've decided is in between my videos, it can take a week or so to sometimes get a video good and exactly how you like it, or a little bit longer. So what I'm doing now is in between my videos, I'll be posting little fun tricks and hacks. Some of them are old, some of them will be new, some of them you just may have not known. So that's what I'm gonna start now, just little glitch tricks. So what we're doing in this one, a lot of people think their passwords being asterisk keeps it safe. So I'm going to show you why this isn't true. This is why I advise using a password manager, not saving your passwords, and never walk away from your computer unless it's locked. So I'm going to use this as an example. Let me type in my email address, and now of course we have to enter in our password. So I'm just going to type a random password here. I'm not going to log in or anything. So let's say I type it in and I walk away. Or it's saved, so I can use it whenever I want. Clearly you can't copy it, you can't look at that password because it's an asterisk. But what you can do, you can highlight the password field. And you can do this with any portion of the website. So if I highlight the password field and I click inspect, and then I go to the password area in the website coding, you'll see that there's something called type. And the type is password. Well, if you double click it, change that password to text, now the password's visible. So people can take that password and use it against your email address in other locations and other sites. And that's why having your password just an asterisk isn't safe.